Hi, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be reviewing how to create dictionaries in Python and then also take our quiz at the end. So far we've learned how to create a dictionary, how to add elements to a dictionary, how to update elements in a dictionary, how to use dictionary comprehension to create a dictionary from two lists. So let's practice these skills. So we're building a music streaming service. We've provided two lists representing songs from a user's library and the amount of times the song has been played. Now, using dictionary comprehension, create a list called plays that goes through the zip songs and play counts, and creates a song play count pair for each song in the song list. Okay, so we'll call dictionary called plays equals to this. Then we'll do key value for key value in zip songs, and then play counts. Now print plays. Okay, after printing plays, add a new entry to it. So the entry should be here for the song, Purple Haze. So we'll do add a new entry to it. Okay, so we'll do plays, and we'll put Purple Haze, and we'll make it 1. And then this user has caught the Aretha Franklin fever and listened to Respect 5 more times. So update the value for Respect to be 94. Dang. This dude loves Respect. I don't know, I've never listened to it, but let me know if you have. So we'll just update it like so. And if we print it after, we see that it is 94, yeah. Okay, create a dictionary called library. Okay, that has two key values. The key best songs with the value of plays, the dictionary you created, and key Sunday feelings with the value of an empty dictionary. Okay, best songs. The plays, and then Sunday feelings, and then an empty dictionary. Print library. So that's actually cool that it just prints out like the regular. So you can just have like a regular blank brackets there, and it'll work just fine. So we earn more experience. Let's go ahead and take the quiz for it. 5 questions, so not too bad. What is the value of inventory after this code? Okay, so inventory equals iron spear, invisible knife, needle of ambition, stone glove. Well, first I see that invisible knife is 30, or it goes from 30 to 40. So 30 to 40, like so. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be this one. And then what is the following code output? Conference new rooms, we have executive, Hopper, Lovelace, Pods, News build. Capacity 7, 26, 2, and 1. Key value for key value in zipped conference rooms, capacity. So we'll just have it as Hmm, that's good. Okay, I'm not sure. Ah, yeah, it was that. I was just trying to see if we can highlight this, but I guess not. But yeah, it's this one because it would output the dictionary like so. All right, which of these is a invalid dictionary that will throw a type error? Okay, so it's gonna be this because we cannot have a list as a key. Which of the following dictionaries has integers as keys and strings as the values? So integers as keys and these strings as values. I think it's this. I believe it's this. Yeah. Which of the following code can initialize an empty dictionary called thesaurus? This one, because we have the curly brackets, right? We got an 80 because I misclicked, but pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something, make sure to like. If you didn't learn something, but you learned about this channel, go ahead and subscribe. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one and hope you have a fantastic day.